4 tips for better assignments. 1. Answer the assignment question. Lecturers write assignment briefs and essay questions carefully and want you to address the topic directly. In a professional setting, this would be known as meeting the brief. Keep checking that you are always responding to the set question or task. When you've finished, try reading your assignment out loud. If something is interesting but irrelevant to your main argument, consider leaving it out. 2. Structure your assignment well, in paragraphs. A clear structure will help your reader follow your argument. Work out what points you want to make, in what order, to support your argument. Use one major point per paragraph, supported by evidence and discussion. Within and between each paragraph, use signposting language and linking sentences. 3. Use your reading to back up your argument. Your course lecturers have carefully chosen essential texts to teach you key ideas in your discipline. They will want to know that you've read and understood these. When writing your assignment, use the set reading to support your arguments before expanding your reading and research to develop your own ideas further. Learn how and when to quote and paraphrase the work of others, and how to cite and reference correctly. 4. Write a clear, concise introduction and conclusion. Your introduction and conclusion are particularly important. The introduction is your reader's first impression of your writing and tells them what to expect from your assignment. The conclusion is your final word on the subject. Try writing a draft conclusion early in the writing process so you know where the essay is going, and write your introduction last.